guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a slipper review and unboxing of the Tasman Shroud Zip from UGG. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Tasman Shroud Zip from UGG. And we got this in the dark grey colourway in the UK size 8, it's European 42, and it's a US 9. So for those that don't know, UGG is a brand well known for their classic UGG boots. It's the sheepskin lining, you know, you must have seen it. It's got every girly blogger in the chokehold for the last couple of years. It's having a resurgence. Right now, we've got a look at their men's slipper. We've done something similar, so do check out the review that we've done for a Tasman earlier. But this is kind of different, but it is more or less the same. So let's get unopen it. And here it is. So think of your classic Tasman slipper and give it another shroud and give it with a zip, and you've got this bad boy. So essentially this is the famous Tasman, a firm favourite for a lot of people who love UGGs, and what they're selling out really quick. The men's not so much, but the women's sizes are. And yeah, we'll start looking at this shroud zip by looking at the outsole. So this outsole is EVA outsole. It's a foam outsole. It's UGG's very own one. It is a foam, but they use some sugar. I think it's like sugar cane in it. And the same is on the midsole. So essentially, it's the same unit. The upper is that slipper goodness that you have in the Tasman. So you've got more or less the same Tasman shape, but you've got like two outers. So you have this canvas coated outer shroud right here, and just underneath that you've got a PU textile shroud. Also feels very soft, what you need, and like if you're afraid to get any rain on it, it doesn't specifically say this is rainproof, by the way, or waterproof, but it feels like it should be. I mean, if I was to wear this in a storm, I would put this, cover it up, use the shroud as it is meant to be, cover it up, protect your feet. And obviously it's easily adjustable right there, and the shroud is just adjustable as well if you look at the pull cord here at the heel. And then you look at it inside, so again, like as I mentioned, this is covering a textile upper. It's very plush to feel. And then if you look at the inside, you've got the sheepskin lining there also. That's what UGGs are famous for. These are going to be really comfortable. It's a very unique design because of the shroud, but we've done tons of like shroud stuff here on the channel before. This is no different. Essentially, it's used as a waterproof, not waterproof, but like a water protection function. And it does look kind of cool. It looks like some space shoes when you zip it up. It's like if you remember the Mars Yards 2.0 from Nike, kind of reminds me of that because of the colour of being like a bit red as well. That's all my thoughts, feelings and emotions. Can't wait to try these on because I know UGGs are really comfortable on, and yeah, pretty much excited. So roll that footage and we try these Shrouds Tasman zips on for you. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size UGG fit. I'm a UK size 8 when it comes to Uggs, and they fit perfectly actually. So we thought we'll do one with the shroud on and one without. I personally think with the shroud on it looks really cool. Again, it reminds me of that Nike Mars Yards 2.0, the one with the shroud and you can take it off. I've seen many people cut it off. But yeah, I think it looks really cool. Very comfortable. Didn't expect anything less from Uggs. Thanks guys for watching. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo parachute joggers. I don't think they've got on the website. This was recent of 2023 though, so if you're able to find it, you're able to find it. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok, guys. Till next time, peace.